feels, I guess it sounds emotional and whatnot, but it feels like, kind of happy, kind of wholesome. Alright, today I'm checking out Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid. I'm listening to the song Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head. Let's get into it.
Raindrops are falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun, and I said I didn't like the way he got things done, sleeping on the job. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. But there's one thing I know, the blues they send to meet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me. Steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head.
Oh, what a nice song. I don't know why. It feels, I guess it sounds emotional and whatnot, but it feels like, kind of happy, kind of wholesome. It definitely, there's an air of optimism, just the energy of the song. I like the way the song stops and it starts back over. Raindrops falling on my head, and the music's like that. Like, you know what I'm saying? The music like do 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 do. It feels like a whole movement.
Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me.
Well, that was interesting to have that song, and then you have the HD film tribute, so I know it's not like an official music video, but you get to see a little bit what the movie's about, some kind of Western movie, you know, gunslinging and all this stuff. But then you have this song, I guess, played somewhere within the movie. Must have been a nice little moment, maybe going through hard times, raindrops falling on my head, but he's singing this pleasant, hopeful, optimistic song. That was nice and pleasant.
I don't know. Tell me, man, what do you know? What do you know? Me and my boys on the road. Who to go? She told me, boy, you to go. Like, I don't know.